Okay, there is nothing new in this video. And if you're expecting some groundbreaking technology, this is the wrong video. Well, with that on the way, I got in a dilemma just a few days ago on my phone. Because it was saying the weather is this, the weather is that. Oh, it is 50 million degrees. Oh, it's 80 degrees. Oh, it's 85. Oh, but it feels like this. Oh, so you actually don't know how to measure the weather correctly. You're just telling me it feels like or it should be like. And those are not acceptable measurements exactly. Plus, it depends where you're measuring it. Most of the weather measurements are close enough. The temperatures don't take any one of them for granted because that's not how weather works. Measurements are approximate. And to learn more about that, you can go into the fraudulent physics of relativity. It's cute, fraudulent stuff that you can learn from. I highly suggest you get a whole truckload of salt with you, not a grain. Get a truckload when you study relativity in physics. Besides that, this is a clock that I can own and it has a weather measurement. This one I will place somewhere behind the house where I can get a gauge around 6.5 feet high, not the ones that they measure on the ground. I've seen that cute stuff too. On middle of the summer, they'll measure it on the ground. Ground level is usually hotter. They don't measure at 6 feet. 6 feet is the nominal to measure temperatures. Plus, depends where. So they put the charts with and put the whole state in red. Like everybody in Texas, dead, gone. That don't even drive to Texas. I saw the red map. Gone. No, that's not how it works. I can't stand this crap. Now we have this station that is my own, and I'll put it outside. How this works, very easy. You have a clock, you have weather, you have prediction, which don't rely on it, and you have a projector that will project those numbers on the ceiling if you wish so you can just look up and see the weather. This thing here goes outside. That's what measures. They connect via their own wireless UHF, VHF, whatever they used to use on these. And this here tells this machine what's the temperature outside where this is at. That's it. It is that simple. And that's all you need to do. I'm just gonna put two AAA batteries on it, and I have no idea. I just opened this, and I have no idea where I put the 5-volt charger for this one. But I'm gonna find it really quick, and we'll place it outside, and we'll plug it and see how it actually looks. You have a little battery here that you can take this out, and it will turn on the machine. I don't know where the light is, but it's more like to keep the clock and all that other stuff, and that's it. Okay, got some batteries. Let them real quick and see where that goes. And I'm gonna plug it in a power bank right now, just for the demo. It's easier. Yep, it actually started up. It has the number, so you can go check it there too. It has 80 degrees and 60% humidity. That sounds pretty correct. And here I have one of these 5-volt USB to barrel, because they could not make this USB. They tried so hard. They could not. Even a micro USB or mini. They tried everything they could, just couldn't. They had to make it barrel. Anyway, but they made a USB output. Great. Just gonna plug it right here, and we have to set it up real. And this is the laser that projects numbers on the ceiling. It's hard to tell right now, but you know what I'm saying. So let me set it up real quick and be right back. You have a touch here to snooze. So let's set up the time first. Okay, it is on now. It is set up. It has the what's called atomic clock going on and all that. Forecast is correct. It is actually kind of drizzling outside. It has all kinds of alarms and bells and whistles and all that good stuff. So, well, I'll just have to go hang this on the wall outside somewhere and keep measuring stuff. And let me see, is this thing on? It is on, but I have to turn off all the lights. Well, I guess we'll do that. Okay, and that's what we're talking about here now. You have this thingy here. That's where it's projecting, and it cycles through inside and outside, even though they're both inside right now. One is in the other room, but yep, that's how it projects from there to your ceiling. And besides that, there's nothing else we can do about it. Just mount it and watch it, and that's it. But I just bought it because I really got frustrated from the phones having no clue what they're doing. And now I will have a clue what I'm doing. At least approximates are gonna be controlled by me, not by a phone service that requires to be active and connected to the internet. Nah, I don't want that, because when you need this the most, usually internet goes out. So what's the point? And well, there's nothing else I can tell you about it. We'll just see you next time, I guess.